Hello, my name is Errol and I work with Legends Realty. And today I'll be showing you the property 2471 Oleander Road in DeLand, Florida. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house, 2-car garage. It's got a fenced yard and it also has a screened-in patio. Hopefully you like it. Super cute kitchen. Very well maintained. You have a smaller drink cooler there, maybe for wines or, you know, kids' drinks. It is a split floor plan. So on this side of the house, you have your main bedroom. Here's your master bathroom. Guest bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 2. And here's the second bathroom. We have hardwood laminate floors and carpet in the bedrooms. We'll step out over here to the screened-in patio. And it comes with a large backyard. Look at that. Awesome. We have a shed in the back over here. Thank you for coming. Again, this is 2471 Oleander Road in DeLand, Florida. Have a good day.